Welcome. Please subscribe our channel before for more videos. Let's start. Are you tired of the same old boring earrings? Do you want to make a statement with your accessories? Well, look no further because we've got some unique modern earring ideas that will definitely turn heads. First up, we have the mismatched earrings trend. Gone are the days of perfectly matching earrings. Instead, mix and match different shapes, colors, and textures for a bold and edgy look. Next, we have the ear climbers. These earrings are designed to hug the curve of your ear and create a unique and dramatic look. They come in a variety of styles, from simple studs to elaborate designs, and are perfect for adding some extra flair to your outfit. If you're looking for something a little more subtle, try out the delicate chain earrings. These earrings feature a thin chain that dangles from the earlobe and can be customized with various charms or stones. They're perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any outfit. For those who love bold and colorful designs, try out the tassel earrings. These earrings feature long, flowing tassels in a variety of colors and styles. They're perfect for adding a pop of color to a monochromatic outfit or for complementing a bold pattern. Last but not least, we have the hoop earrings with a twist. These earrings feature unique and unusual shapes, such as triangles or hexagons, and are perfect for adding some extra dimension to your outfit. So, there you have it, some unique modern earring ideas that will help you stand out from the crowd. Which one will you be trying out? Let us know in the comments below.